Hey guys, welcome to this weekly plan with me. And we're straight into Pinterest because all of my good ideas start here. It's October, so I was sure I wanted to go for something spooky, but I didn't know exactly what it was, so I went here for inspiration. I decided to go with a witch theme, but I didn't have any stickers like this, so I decided to make them in Procreate. I did the sketch using the HB pencil, and then I moved on to using the script brush to make the lines appear more clear. I found that choosing the colors was actually the most difficult part about this kit because I really wasn't sure what I wanted to go for, but I settled with kind of like a good witch theme, so pink and orange. It was very light. I like it a lot. After I filled in the stickers, I added some shadows and some highlights on two separate layers just to make it more interesting. Then I disabled the background and used the monoline pencil to draw right around the edges of each sticker. And that's it. So for this layout, I'm going to use the 2021 Inspire Planner because it's a blackout planner, so it's really going to match the Good Witch theme. So let's jump into Goodnotes. I'm going to do this on a blank page inside of the Inspire Planner, but you can obviously do this on any paper template. It doesn't even have to be a digital planner. To make the weekly layout itself, I'm just going to use the pencil tool and I'm going to do it freehand because I don't want it to look like it's perfect. I want it to look like it's hand-drawn. Now we can copy and resize. I'm going to use the first box to show the month and the monthly calendar. I like how it's looking so far and I'm ready to add the stickers. So I'm going to do this by opening this Goodnotes split screen and just open the cropped sticker kit. I made it by cropping each sticker individually, so I'm not going to show you that because it's quite boring. To add the stickers to your planner, you can just click on it, hold, and move it over. I'll make sure to include everything I used in this video in the description, so make sure to check it out. I love the little light sticker, but I just couldn't find a way to make it fit into the spread, so I decided to remove it. I'm done with the stickers. I love how it turned out, and all that's left now is to add the days and the little chat boxes for our tasks throughout the week. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to check out the shop for the new 2021 collection. See you soon. Bye!